Whatever the size of a production batch, it is important to inspect the first board coming from the pick and place machine before it proceeds to the reflow oven. To help our operators with this task, we have developed a proprietary system we call PCSPECT. We take a high-resolution picture from the assembled side and load it into our production follow-up system. In the PCSPECT image, the operator can see the components on the board aligned all in the same way with the same rotation, together with the information we derived from the CAD data and BOM list. During this procedure, we check for missing components, components where the marking on the part does not correspond with the marking information we have in our system, mismatches between components placed and reference designation, orientation of the parts, misplaced components, etc. When problems are detected, the solder pasting operator, SMD or CAM operator are informed. This way, necessary adjustments can be made before starting the reflow process. When no problems are detected or all issues are solved, the production can continue. Before shipment, a skilled operator inspects the boards under a magnifier or microscope to examine the overall condition and quality of the assembled board. We provide smart tools for our inspectors and automate the process as much as possible. These tools are built around our PCBA visualizer that you are familiar with as a customer, where we have introduced extra features for the final inspection operators. Visual inspection is performed on the assembled boards according to the IPC-A-610 standard Class 2, which means the acceptance of soldering and placement is based on the requirements of this standard. We do not perform any electrical testing of the assembled units. The type, presence, polarity, position and mounting side for all parts have been checked during our data preparation stage. During the final inspection, the operator pays special attention to the aesthetic appearance, so the inspection is done after the boards are washed, removing any contamination. After assembly and soldering of the boards, we remove remaining solder and flux residues to avoid possible shorts and long-term oxidation of the boards. We use a no-clean solder and paste in our process. However, we clean the boards using non-flammable water-based liquid to remove any residues. This cleaning agent is not aggressive to the components and can clean most of the residues without affecting the boards or the components. There are limitations to this procedure, however. Some components are not cleanable with water-based chemicals because the cleaning procedure might damage them, or water could trap inside and not fully dry out, causing electrical problems later. Our engineers check the data sheet of these parts and check if they are washable. If there are non-washable components on a board, we skip this step for the order. Next, we break out the individual boards from the panel and remove the panel borders. At the end of the production of the bare boards, we prepare for this step by V-cut or break routing of the panels, so that after assembling, the individual boards can be separated easily. When panels are V-cut, we use a de-panelizer with rotating knives. Now the assembled boards are ready for delivery. We pack them to protect from damage that might occur during transportation. All packaging materials that we use provide protection against electrostatic discharge. The assembled boards are packed individually in ESD bubble bags. They can be recognised by their pink colour. Some components require special attention for packing, such as connectors that have protruding parts. We protect these with ESD foam sheets. Finally, the boards are placed in corrugated boxes with package fillers to prevent the boards from moving in the box. The boxes are labelled and shipped by courier and arrive at their destination in the best possible condition.